Welcome everyone to the second part of the lesson. So in this section we are going to be coloring in our Pokemon. So what we're going to be doing is we need to create a new layer between the original image and the outline over here. So one way you can do it is whichever one you click on really, just click on the new layer icon, and then you might want to say, for example, base color, like so. And if it ends up being on top of outline like this, you're just going to grab it with your mouse and drag it down until you should hopefully see a line. Sometimes it doesn't do it while I'm recording these videos. Just bear with me. Right, so I just had to fix something on my recording end. So what you can do is literally just grab the base color, drag it down until you see this white line, which will indicate that that layer is going to go between the outline and the Squirtle original image. So what we're going to be doing next is, again, make sure you've got your brush selected. I am going to increase the size of my brush a little bit. Make sure you are clicked or selected on the base color. And we're going to go over to this icon right here on the top left hand corner where my mouse is circling. And I'm going to click on the black square. And here we are going to get the chance to select a color that we want. So what I want to do is I want to change to blue, like so. And I'm going to select something like this, press OK. And now when I paint, it will obviously come out that color. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, well, you've made a mistake. You've gone outside of the outline, and that's absolutely fine. You can make mistakes like that because it's very easy to correct them because we've got everything on a separate layer. So what I can do here is, if I want to correct this, I can go to the eraser button, which is located next to my brush, and I can go ahead and just erase that blue color. Now what you're noticing is that it's not erasing the outline, and the reason for that is that the outline is located on a different layer and it's not affected by what you are doing to the base color layer like this. So I can just clean it up like so. And if I've made a mistake, I could go to edit, undo eraser on the last part, maybe one more time, and then just erase that. You might want to zoom in and so on and so forth. Now what you can do with this is incredible, because now I can go ahead and create another layer. I know I haven't finished the entire head, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I can create another layer and I can call it the eye color, and we can zoom in a little bit for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and change my color again. So I'm going to go and choose maybe like a brown like this, and decrease the size of my brush a little bit. Oh, I'm still on the eraser, so make sure you've got your brush selected. And I'm going to go ahead and paint over this eye right here. So I'm just going to try one more time here. There we go. So we're going to paint over this. Don't worry that you can see a little bit of the blue behind. We're going to erase that in a second, like this, and there we go. And again, don't worry if you make a mistake like that. We're just going to use the eraser tool, erase this, go to the base color and erase the base color from the eye, like this. And then of course, I can go ahead and add more to this. So we can go ahead and paint this. Oh, look, still made the same mistake, and I guarantee you'll be making these mistakes quite a lot. So don't get frustrated. Just make sure you've selected the correct tool. So here we go. We're going to just paint this section like this. It'll be a little bit different for you. It won't look see-through because I have done something to my options here that I need to find out how to correct it. So essentially, there's your eye, and you're going to basically color in your entire Pokemon. Good luck.